The Managing Talent program, I believe it will make a lasting impact, not only personally, professionally to me, but also to my team. If I can just simplify as an analogy, as along the way of growing into leaderships, we collect different pieces of skill set we needed, whether it's by self-teaching, by finding a great mentor, or by trialing and erring. I think this program to us provided the string it needed to connect all the random pieces we collected, but more importantly, this program also provided the crucial pieces actually will make the entire loop complete. The biggest challenge for all of us is to truly find time to deplug and open our minds to learn. Walk away from the doing mode, but the learning mode. I think that's the 2.5 days reminded me how important it is, and how important it is to do that ongoing in the future. So what I would do personally different is setting weekly calendars to remind myself the learning from this week, and to set practice goals and set measurements. And our team is walking away with a great framework of proposals, and I think it's also up to 6 of us to continue to remind each other to practice what we've learned on a continuing basis, so that for 6 of us we can make some difference in the organization we're all leading.